All right, guys, we're at Five Guys today. So another burger joint, but a great place to get a keto meal. So let's see what they have. So the prices are a little expensive here, but in general, the best thing to get is the bacon cheeseburger. You get the bacon, cheese, and double patty for about $10, so not a bad option. Of course, you also have hot dogs and a variety of other options. The best thing here is you can get all toppings for free, so that's mushrooms and some other things you can get. Just check it out. Looks like we got the burgers cooking right now, and pretty affordable. So one bacon cheeseburger, which comes with 2 patties. It comes with bacon. You can get extra bacon for free. Got no bun or lettuce, just in a bowl, and extra grilled mushrooms. Came right over $10, so very affordable option. And once it's done, we'll see how it is. All right, guys, here we are. Order 32. Got our bowl here. Let's see what's inside. Got some napkins. Got our forks, utensils. Here's our object. Let's see our creation. There you have it. So we got the 2 patties, layer of cheese there, a lot of bacon, and some mushrooms underneath. So again, this will run you about $10, but obviously a great and very low carb meal that you can get from Five Guys. So let me know what you think of it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.